Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about sales tax report. Sales tax report is one of the reports that takes way too much time for Shopify stores. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the exact report in Shopify, modify a little bit and export it for filing. Also, when to consider an external application if you're dealing with multiple states and international complexities. Here's the plan. First, we'll locate the Shopify's built-in tax report. I'll help you tweak that a little bit, and then when to consider a reporting application, especially if you need a monthly summary or tax by state, tax by country, or a detailed line item level report, or if you want to reconcile your taxes with your payouts. Shopify's built-in tax report gives you total taxes collected and taxable sales. You can set the date range and filter by country, like just the United States, and export it in a CSV format. Let me walk you through it. You go to Shopify admin page. Under Analytics, you have Reports. Click on Reports. These are the built-in Shopify reports that we have. Look for Taxes. So this is the report. Here you can set the date range of your choice. Let's select last 7 days. Apply. You can also set the date here and export it in a CSV format. So this gives you an overall tax report in Shopify. If you're looking for the report to reflect only for a specific country, you can just go ahead and apply the filter for tax country and select United States here and group by the country and save the report. So this way, you have the tax report for United States. The tax data that you see here is only for the selected period, but it can include lines from different jurisdictions. So before you finalize anything, double check your exemptions and destination-based rules in your tax engine or run it by your accountant's checklist. It's always better to be safe than to be sorry when it comes to taxes. Alright, let's check out what additional options we have when you extend with a reporting application like Report Pundit. You can get a monthly summary in one click, tax details per product, line item jurisdiction breakdown, super handy if you're selling across borders. The best part, you can reconcile your taxes with your payouts. So no more manual number crunching at the end of the month. Honestly, if you want a clear automated tax report and you're done doing it all by hand, then this reporting application is a game changer. Let me show you how to get this report in Report Pundit. You go to Library section. Under Library section, you have Tax category. And here's your monthly tax summary report. This will give you taxable sales, non-taxable sales, total sales, all grouped by month. You can also schedule this to your email or Google Sheet for your finance pack. If you need a breakdown report on state or country, you can make use of one of these two reports. Let's click one of these. This report is grouped based on the state. You can also include order details and product details in case if your auditor asks for verification. Next up, we've got the USA tax collected report. This one pulls all your line item level data showing the jurisdiction, tax amount and your net sales, all broken down clearly. It's perfect if you're selling across different states and need itemized tax support. And if you need Canadian tax report, you can make use of this one. This report breaks down by province. It includes GST, HST, PST, QST. For EU and IOSS report, we can customize it by including invoice number, transaction date, VAT rate, VAT value, and many more. Alright guys, here's a pro move. We're gonna match your taxes with your payouts. This report links your order tax data directly with your payout reports. So everything lines up perfectly with what actually hits your bank. With this, you can spot the timing gaps, adjustments, and accounting mismatches before they mess up your book. To sum it up, begin with your Shopify's built-in tax report if you want to cover the essentials. If you're looking for deeper insights like monthly summaries, Canadian tax, jurisdiction level detail, then extend your setup with reporting application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this will help you in making better business decisions.